Good evening, students. Today we will discuss paper number 232, reasoning. Study the following information carefully, then answer the questions. Here there are certain number of persons sitting in a row facing to the north. M is fourth to the right of G. There is one person between D and G. Three persons are there between M and P. Then the number of persons between D and M is same as the number of persons to the right of P. Only one person is there to the between E, A and G. Q is sitting third to the left of T and is to the right of A. Six persons are there between A and Q. Both T and K are immediate neighbors. S is third to the left of K. The number of persons sitting to the right of K is same as the number of persons sitting to the left of D. Now this is one puzzle. Here there are certain number of persons. So we don't know the number of persons. All of you draw two lines because we will do this question in two possibilities. And see the first one. M is fourth to the right of G. M sits fourth to the right of G. So here you write down G. M is fourth, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. M is fourth to the right of G. There is only one person between D and G. That we will take to the left side. Here we will take to the right side. Then there are three persons between M and P. Between M and P there are three persons. See, these are the three persons. Here you can take P. Now here also take three persons, write down P. Then there are three persons. The number of persons between D and M is same as the number of persons to the right of P. Between D and M here we are having five persons. To the right of P also we will be having five persons. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the number of persons between D and M. Between D and M there is only one person. So right side of P also there is only one person. Then see the next thing. Only one person is there between A and G. Between A and G there is one person. So between A and G there is one person. We will take like this. There is one person between A and G. Then six persons are there between A and Q. So between A and Q, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here you can write down Q. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you can write down Q. Then see the next one. Q is sitting third to the left of T. Q is sitting third to the left of T. Here Q is sitting third to the left of P. So this one is wrong. So you remove the second one completely. That is wrong. Then both T and K are immediate neighbors. S is sitting third to the left of K. So here you can write down K. Here S is sitting third to the left of K. The number of persons sitting to the right of K is the number of persons sitting to the left of D. Left of D no one is there. Right of K no one will be there. So here how many persons are there? If you count, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total 16 persons are there. Now taking this we should answer the questions. See the first question. How many persons are there between Q and K? The question is how many persons are there between Q and K? See how many persons are there between Q and K. This is Q and here we are having K. So there are three persons between Q and K. How many persons are there? There are three persons. So none of these is the correct. Then how many persons are there between Q and K? The same question is repeated again. So that is also three persons. None of these. What is the position of D with respect to M? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th. 6th to the left. 6th to the left. Then what is the, if Z is between A and M. Between A and M suppose there is Z. Then how many persons are there between Z and Z? Between Z and Z there are two persons. Then who is sitting fourth to the right of P? So this is P. P right fourth we are having T. T is the correct answer. Option 1. See the next question. Here this is called as syllogisms. This we have to solve by using the Venn diagram. See the first question. Some Tom is Jerry. Some Tom is Jerry. Some Jerry is Pokemon. Then no Pokemon is Mickey. First conclusion, all Tom can be Pokemon. Will not follow. All Tom can be Pokemon. So it definitely follows because there is no relation between Tom and Pokemon. Some Mickey can be Jerry. That also definitely follows. There is no relation between Mickey and Jerry. So both 1 and 2 follows. Option 5. Next question. See the next one. Only few questions are answers. See this one. Only few answers are questions. Only few answers are questions. This is questions. Then some questions are solutions. Then all solutions are details. All questions or answers is a possibility. Definitely follows. Some details can be questions. Some details are questions. Definitely follows. Can be indicates the possibility. Here you should not take it as a possibility. Next question. No school is a college. No school is a college. This is the first thing. No college is institute. That is the next thing. Only few institute are branch. That is the third thing. Then all institute can be branch. Does not follow. Here only few institute are branch means some institute are not branch. Some branch is not college. Some branch is not college. Here what is given? Some branch is not college. No institute is college. Inside institute there is some part of branch. So some branch is not college. Definitely follows. Next question. Only Nokia is Redmi. That means all Redmi is Nokia. Then some Nokia is Samsung. Then no Samsung is Apple. First conclusion. Some Samsung can be Redmi. So some Samsung can be Redmi. Only Nokia is Redmi. So some Samsung can be Redmi does not follow because only a Nokia should be Redmi. Some Apple is Nokia. Some Apple is Nokia also does not follow. So neither one, not two. Option 4. Next question. Some Tom is Jerry. Some Tom is Jerry. Some Jerry is Pokemon. Some Pokemon is Mickey. First one. Some Pokemon is Tom. Does not follow. No Pokemon is Tom. Here these are called as complementary pair. So either 1 or 2 follows. 3 is the correct answer. Next question. 41 to 45. 8 boxes are kept one above the other. More than 5 boxes are there above P. D is kept immediately above R and immediately below G. 2 boxes are there between R and Z. Box N is kept below Z and above L. T is kept below L but not immediately below. At least 4 boxes are there below R. Now this is the question. There are totally 8 boxes. So serial number, box, then again box. We will do this question in 2 possibilities. This is serial number, this is box, this is box. So write down the numbers from 1 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now come to the question. More than 5 boxes are there above P. Above P more than 5 boxes. More than 5 means there should be at least 6. So here we can take P or here we can take P. Then see the next point. D is kept immediately above R and immediately below Z. D is kept immediately above R and immediately below G. Immediately below G. So then there is one more thing. So G, D, R. At least 4 boxes are kept below R. There are at least 4 boxes below R. That means I can take R here. Then I can take D. I can take G. Here also the same thing. At least 4 means you can take R here. You can take G. You can take D and followed by G. Then there are 2 boxes between R and Z. Between R and Z there are 2 boxes. You can take above. Here you can take below Z. N is kept below Z and above L. N is kept below Z and above L. So that is not possible. This is not possible in the second case. So second one is wrong. This one is wrong. Now Z followed by N followed by L. T is kept below L. T is kept below L but not immediately below. So you can take like this. This is N, this is L, this is T. So this is the correct arrangement. Now come to the questions. See again I will write the box. The first one is Z, the second one G, then D, then R, N, L, P, T. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Which of the following is not true? R is kept immediately above L. That is not true. The number of box below G. Below G there are 1. See below G there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is same as above. Above P also there are same. So the answer is P. P is the correct answer. P is the correct answer. Then see the next one. How many boxes are there above Z? None. Which box is there between N and P? Between N and P there is L. Option 1. If P is related to L, P immediately above L. N is related to R, N immediately above R. Then G is related to G immediately above Z. So 2 is the correct answer. See the next question. Here we have to find coding and decoding. So this is coding and decoding. What is the code for banks in a certain code language? So what is the code for banks? That we have to identify. So what is the code for banks? In a certain code language, merger for good banks is written as LMCA TOCK and banks are good too is written as ZK TMCA TO. In a certain code language, merger banks are new is written as CKYOCA and banks are good is coded as LMTACATM. Now we have to find the code for banks. Now if you see the first statement, all of you see the first statement. If you see the first statement, we are having good. Here we are having good. In the first statement we are having good. Here also we are having good. See, this is good, this is good. And we are having, here we are having CA. Here also we are having CA. Then we are having banks here. Here we are having banks. Here we are having banks. Here we are having banks. So by all 1 and 2 statements, because banks is common in first and second. In first, good is there common, bank is there common. But if you combine 1 and 2, we are having banks here, here, here and here. If you see all the common things, we are having CA in all the things. See, here we are having CA, here we are having CA, and here also we are having CA, here also we are having CA. So the bank's code will be CA. We are getting the answer by combining 1 plus 2. By combining 1 plus 2, we are getting the answer, means choice is 5. Both 1 and 2 are needed to answer the question. See the next question. What is the direction of Z with respect to K? With respect to K, what is the direction of Z? See the first statement. M is 5 kilometers to the east of K. So first K. K east 5M. Then S is P is 3 kilometers to the north of M. P is 3 kilometers to the north of M. Then S is 3 kilometers to the east. S is 3 kilometers to the east. Z is 5 kilometers to the south. This is Z. Now, what is the direction of Z with respect to K? That is south east. We are getting the answer by using first. Now come to the second one. Now come to the second one. L is 5 meters to the east of L is 5 meters to the east of K. So first you write down K. K east 5 meters L. Then M is 4 meters to the south of. Here we are having M. Here we are having M. Then see the next one. Z is 2 meters to the west of N. N is 5 meters to the west of M. N is 5 meters to the west of M. Now, N is 5 meters to the west of M. So here we are having N. Z is 2 meters to the west. Here we are having Z. So we are getting the answer by using second also. What is the direction of Z with respect to K? So by using either 1 or 2 we are getting the answer. So either 1 or 2 is the correct. So either 1 or 2. So either 1 or 2 means 3 is the correct answer. Either 1 or 2. See the next one. 7 friends are there. Phoebe, Joyce, Janice, Chandler, Monica, Rose, Rachel, and they are taking leave on different day from Monday to Sunday. So all of you write down the days from Monday to Sunday. So here we are having day. Here we are having person. So write down the days from Monday to Sunday. We are having the days from Monday to Sunday. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now, Chandler is taking leave on Wednesday. Chandler is taking leave on Wednesday. This is Chandler, Wednesday. One person is there between Chandler and Phoebe. So, Phoebe is taking on Monday. Let us suppose. 2 persons are there between Phoebe and Rose. This is Rose. Rose and Rachel is an adjacent. This is Rachel. Monica is taking before Janice. Monica is taking before Janice, but after Joy. So this will be Joy. This will be Monica. This will be Janice. So this is the correct arrangement. Joy does not take leave on Thursday. So Monday, Phoebe, Tuesday, Joy, Wednesday, Chandler, Thursday, Rose, Friday, Rachel, Saturday, Monica, Sunday is Janice. Now coming to the questions. Now we have to answer the questions. See the first question. So before going to the question, again I am writing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Persons' names. First one, Phoe, Phoebe. Next one, Joy. Next one, Chandler. Next one, Ross. Next one, Rachel. Next, Monica. Next, Janice. Now who is taking the leave on Friday? That is Rachel. Now how many persons are there between Janice and Joy? 1, 2, 3, 4 persons are there. 4 persons. Then how many persons are there before Ross? 3 persons. 3 persons. Who is taking leave on last day? Janice. Who is taking leave in between Chandler and Phoebe? That is Joy. 3 is the correct answer. Now see the next question. How many pairs of letters are there in the word amalgamate? A-M-A-L-G-A-M-A-T-E, which has as many letters in the English alphabet. See this one. See A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Nothing. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Now MT. MT is one pair. So how many alphabets are there here? The same number of alphabets should be in the English alphabetical series. Now A, B, C, D, E. Nothing. Here A, B, C, D, E. A, E. This is one pair. The second pair. Then E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. E, M. E, M is the third pair. So totally we are getting 3 pairs. Next question. In a certain code language, Monday is written as NMPMCBZ. See here Monday, MONDAY. So divide into two parts. M is becoming N. O is becoming P. That means +1 +1. Again N is becoming M -1. D is becoming C -1. Again A is becoming B. Then Y is becoming Z. Similarly, you have to find the code for Friday. Now see. F is becoming G. R is becoming S. I becomes H. D becomes C. Again A becomes Y. A becomes B. Y becomes Z. G, S, H, C, B, Z. Answer 2 is the correct answer. Next question. Now we are having some numbers. Based on this, we should answer the given questions. 689, 412, 968, 312, 714. See, if we interchange the third digit to first and first to second and second to third, that means how the number will come? Third digit to first, first to second, that means 968. Then next one 241, next one 896, next one 231, next one 471. Now, which of the following will be the highest number? Highest number 968, original number 689. Now, if we add 1 to all odd digits and subtract 1 from all even digits, so that means 689 becomes 690, 412 becomes 413, 411 because it is even, minus 1. This is 967, this is 311, this will become 713. Then which of the following is the highest number? Highest number is 967, answer 968, 4. If we subtract the third digit of the second number from right, the second number from right is 312. In this third digit 2, and first number of the second digit of the first number from left. So what is the second digit of the first number from left? 8. So 8 minus 2. What is 8 minus 2? 6. The difference is 6. Option 5 is the correct answer. Next question. Study the following information carefully, then answer the question. 8 persons are there sitting in a circle table facing the center. R is sitting second to the left of Q. 2 persons are there between R and W. Then V is sitting second to the left of W. 1 person is there between W and T. P is sitting third to the right of V. SC is not the neighbor of Q. R does not face P. Now all of you draw 2 circles. Divide each circle into 8 parts. Now R is sitting second to the left of Q. This is Q, this is Q. R. 2 persons are there between R and W. So this is W, this is W. Then V is sitting second to the left of W. W left to second, V. Here W left to second, V. 1 person is there between W and T. This is T, this is T. Then P is sitting third to the right of V. V right third P. Here also V right third P. SC is not the neighbor of Q. R does not face P. But here R is facing P. R does not face P. Here R is facing P. So this one is wrong. The second one is completely wrong. Second one you can remove. Now SC is not the neighbor of Q. If SC is not the neighbor of Q, S. Then we are having U. So this is the total puzzle. Now come to the questions. T, P, W, S, V, Q, U, R. Now who is sitting second to the right of V? W. Next, who is facing R? Yes. How many persons are there between R and Q when counted to the clockwise direction? Clockwise means left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Option 3. Who is to the immediate right of W? P. So immediate right of W is P. That is not there. So none of these. Then 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way and hence form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to group? QP. Q opposite P. WU. W opposite U. RS. R opposite S. TV. T opposite V. But TW is odd one out. Next one. See this one. J. So here this is called as greater than lesser than. J less than H, H greater than G, G less than M, M greater than K, K is equal to S, S is equal to T, T less than F, F less than Q. H greater than or equal to Q. There is no common symbol between H and Q. So that one does not follow. This also does not follow. Neither one, not two. Next question. M is equal to G, G is equal to Y, Y greater than T, T greater than W, W less than F, F less than B, B less than or equal to V. Now T and E. Again there is no relation between T and E. There is no relation between T and E, but it is given T greater than E, T less than or equal to. That means either one or two. These are called as complementary weights. Next question. K greater than H, H greater than F, F greater than Y, Y less than M, M less than T, T less than O. Y less than K, K greater than Y or Y less than K follows. M less than O or O greater than M definitely follows. Both 1 and 2 follows. Now you will see quantitative aptitude. See, 66 to 75. What should come in the place of the question mark in the following questions? 12.25 root, that is 3.5. So 3.5 into 18 minus x square is equal to 6 square 36, root 4 2, that is 38. Now 18 into 3 54, 0.5 into 8 9, that is 63. So 63 minus x square 38, x square is equal to 25, x value 5. The x value 5. Next question, root 625. What is root 625? That is root 625 is 25. Sorry. No, one more question. 1250 plus 1725. So 1250 plus 1725 is 2975 divided by 825 plus 365. So this will be equal to 1190. 1190. Now divide 2975 with 1190. 1195 1190 into 2. So 238. 2380. Then 5, 9, then again 5. 5950. Now 5 times 0, 45, 9. So it is 2.5. That is the correct answer. Next, root 625, that is 25. Root 16, that is 4 into 6 is equal to 3x. Now do the calculation. 3 ones, 3 twos, 2 ones, 2 twos, 25 by 2. 25 by 2 is 12.5. Next question. 26 into 15. 15, 6, 90, 390 plus 310 minus 225 is equal to x by 4. 390 plus 310 is how much? 390 plus 310, 700. So 700 minus 225. This is 75. This is 475. The answer is 475 into 4. 4 5 is 20, 30, 1900 is the correct answer. Option 3. Next question. Next question. Root 81. What is root 81 value? 9 into 25 plus 1225 is equal to x square minus 150. 9 into 25, 225. 225 plus 1225. 1225 plus 225. That is 1450. And this minus 150, that will become plus 1600. So 1600 is equal to x square. X is equal to 40. 40 is the correct answer. Then see the next one. Next question. 4900 divided by 28. 4900 divided by 28 into 444 by 12 minus 6450 is equal to x square. Now we have to do the calculation. 7 fours, 7 700s. 4 ones, 4 111. 3 fours, 337. 337. Again 4 17 68. 4 5s. We are left out with 175 into 37. 35 52 12 25. 15 22 5. So 5 7 4 6. 6475 minus 6450. 25 is equal to x square. X value 5. X value will be 5. Next question. %38 of 250 or 250%. 250% means 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into 38 minus 85% of 85% of 560. 560 plus 13x is equal to 61. See, 2 ones, 2 19s. It is 95. 0 0. 5 twos, 5 17s. 2 ones, 2 28. Now 28 into 17. 17 8s, 136, 47. 476. This is plus 13x is equal to 61. So 95 minus 4, 76. 16 minus 5, 6 minus 5, that is 6 minus 5 will be 1. 17 minus 9, 8. Minus 381 plus 13x is equal to 61. 13x is equal to 61 plus 381, that is 442. X value 442 by 13. 13 3s, 13 4s. Answer is 34. Option 1. Option 1. Next question. 2 1 by 9 into 1 12 by 9. 2 1 by 9, that is 19 by 9, into 1 2 by 9, 21 by 19, into 2 1 by 3 means 7 by 3, 3 by 7, minus 1 by 2 is equal to x minus 1 1 by 2. Now do the cancellation. 1 1 by 2 is nothing but 3 by 2. This is 1 1 by 2 is nothing but 3 by 2. Now 19 19 cancel. Then 7 1s, 7 3s, 9 9 cancel. This is 1. 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2, 4 by 2, that is nothing but 2. 2 is the correct answer. Option 5. Then see the next question. (74). See 74 question. Root x into 12. That means 12 root x. 12 root x minus 26% of 1650. 26 by 100 into 1650. 0 0, 5 2s, 5 33s, 2 1s, 39. That will be equal to 429 minus 429 plus 19 is equal to 34 into 13. 13 4 is 52, 442. This is minus 410. If it goes to other side, it becomes plus 410. 442 plus 410. That is 852. Now, root x is equal to 852 by 12. 12 7s, 12 1s. X is equal to 71 square. 71 square means that should end with 1. That is 5041. 5041. Next question. 75. 53.5% of 720, or else you can take like this. 535 by 1000 into 720 into root 676 26. This is 28 into root of 3969, that is 63. Now 63 by 39 into cube root of 125 5, 725 9. This is what you should calculate. Now 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. See 13 3s, 13 2s, then 7 4s, 7 9s, 9 9 cancel, 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 1s, 2 2s. Now this is 2 into 3 6. This is 12. This is 12. Then see the calculation again. 5. Here we are left out with 5. 5 10s, 5 7s. Now 4 25s, 4 3s. 4 25s, 4 3s. Next. So sorry, once again I will do the calculation. This is a mistake. There is a mistake here. See, 535 by 1000 into 720 into, this is 26, this is 28, this is 63, root 3000 is 63 by 39 into 5 by 9. Now I will do the calculation. See, 13 3s, 13 2s, 7 4s, 7 9s, 7 4s, 7 9s, 9 9 cancel, 9 and 9 will get cancelled, 2 1s, 2 2s, 0 0 cancel, 2 into 3 6, this is 12. Now here we are left out with 25. Here we are left out with 25. Here 3. Here 3. Here 5 1s, 5 5s. Here 5 10s, 5 7s. So we are left out with 107 into 3. What is 107 into 3? 321. 4 is the correct answer. 4 is the correct answer. See the next one. ABC started a business with 60,000. Amount invested by A and C is twice that of B, while amount invested by A and B is thrice that of C. A invested for 6 months, B for 9 and C for 1. See, amount invested by A and C together is twice that of B. That means A and C is twice that of B. So total will be 3. Again, A and B together. Now A and B together is thrice that of C. So thrice that of C. So total is equal to 4. Now you have to equate this one. So you multiply this one with 4, this one with 3. Then A plus C will become 8. B will become 4. Here A plus B will become 9. C will become 3. Now A plus B 9. B is 4, then A is equal to 9 minus 4, 5. B is already 4. A plus C 8. So already A 5. So C will be equal to 3. So A 5, B 4, C 3. Now A, B, C. A invested for 6 months. A invested 5 parts for 6 months. B invested 4 parts for 9 months. C invested 3 parts for 1 year. Again, if you do the calculation, 3 2s, 3 3s, 3 1s, that is 10 is to 12 is to 12, or 5 is to 6 is to 6. Finally, we are getting A5, B6, C6. Find the share of B out of total 3,400. Out of 3,400, B is 6, total is 17. That will be equal to 1200. That will be equal to 1200 is the correct answer. 1200. See the next question. The population of the village A is 4,500. If the number of males is increasing by 15 and females is increasing by 25, then population is becoming 5,325. Now 4,500 is becoming 5,325. The increase is 825 over 5,500. This is what percentage? 0000. Now 15 threes, 15 fives, 15. So we are getting 55 by 3. That is the increase. 4,500 is becoming 5,325. Increase of 825 from 4,500. What is the percentage? 55 by 3. Now you go by alligation mixture method. See, males, females. Males is increasing by 15. Females is increasing by 25. Middle value we are getting 55 by 3. Now do the calculation. See, 25 minus 55 by 3, that is 20 by 3. Next 55 by 3 minus 15, that is 10 by 3. 3 cancel, it is 2, it is 1. So males are 2 parts, females are 1 part. Males is what percent of females? 2 by 1 into 100, that is 200%. 200% is the correct answer. Next question. A spherical cannonball of diameter 14 centimeters is melted into 2 cylinders of equal size and the shape having the base radius 8. Find the height of the cylinder. Here volume of sphere is equal to volume of 2 cylinders. Now volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. 2 cylinders. So 2 into pi r square into h. Here what is common? Pi and pi common. Then 2 1s, 2 2s. So 2 by 3 into sphere diameter is 24. So radius 12. So 12 into 12 into 12 is equal to r square. So r means 8 into 8 into h. Now this is what we should calculate. We should calculate h value. Now do the calculation. Now all of you do the calculation. See, 3 1s, 3 4s, 3 1s, 3 4s, 4 1s, 4 2s, or else 4 into 2, 8, 8. 8 and 8 cancel. Again 4 2s, 4 3s, 2 1s, 2 6. We are left out with 3 and 6. So h is equal to 18. which is equal to 18 centimeters. Next question. A man can row 30 kilometers upstream and 44 downstream in 10 hours. Also, he can row 40 upstream and 55 downstream in 13 hours. Find the speed of the man in still water. So, speed of the man means half of upstream speed plus downstream speed. So, this you remember, upstream plus downstream divided by 2. This is the speed of the man. Now, so upstream speed you take it as x, downstream you take it as y. What is given? 30 upstream, 44 downstream. This is distance. This is distance. That means 30 by x plus 44 by y is equal to 10. Also 40 upstream, 55 downstream. 55 by y, that is equal to 13. You multiply this one with 4, this one with 3. Then it becomes 120 by x, or else you can take 1 by x is nothing but a, 1 by y is nothing but b. Then it becomes 30a plus 44b is equal to 10, 40a plus 55b is equal to 13. Multiply this one with 4, this one with 3. Now it becomes 120a plus 176b is equal to 40. This also 120a plus 165b is equal to 39. Change the symbol. This will cancel. 11b is equal to 1. 11b is equal to 1. So b is equal to 1 by 11. So substitute b is equal to 1 by 11 in any one of the equation. I am substituting here 30a. 44 into 1 by 11 is 4 is equal to 10. So 30a is equal to 6. A is equal to 1 by 5. A value 1 by 5, B value 1 by 11. That means 1 by x is equal to 1 by 5. So x value 5. 1 by y is equal to 1 by 11. Y value 11. So here we got upstream speed and downstream speed. What is man speed? Upstream plus downstream divided by 2. That means 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 km per hour is the correct answer. 8 km per hour. That is the correct answer. Next question. A mixture contains wine and water in the ratio of 5:1. On adding 5 liters of mixture. See, wine, water, 5:1. On adding 5 liters of water, we are adding 5 liters of water. Then it becomes 5:2. So here this one part is changing to 2. That means one part is equal to 5 liters. Wine is 5 parts. So 5 into 5, 25 liters. Option 5. Next. Okay, now we will see question number 81. X, Y, Z can complete a work in one day. X and Z together can do the same work as Y alone, and Y and Z together can do 5 times as work as X alone. Find the time taken by Z to complete the work. First, X and Z together can do the same work as Y alone. So X and Z will do one work, Y also will do one work, total work 2. Then Y plus Z will do 5 times as much as X. So total 6. You multiply this one with 6, this one with 2. Therefore, X plus Z is equal to 6, Y 6, total 12. Here, Y plus Z is equal to 10, X is equal to 2, total 12. That means Y is 6, X is 2, Y plus Z 10, so Z is equal to 4. So LCM of 2, 4, 6 is 12. So total work is 12. Z alone can do the work in 3 days. 3 days is the correct answer, option 2. Next question. The cost price of a bat and ball is 75. The retailer sold the bat at 40% profit and ball at 60% loss. So what is the profit on bat? if we are selling bat for 65, if bat cost price 65, 40% is the profit. So the profit on bat is 30. This is the profit on bat. Suppose if you assume that the cost price of the ball is 75. Now this is about bat. Now this is about ball. And we are having the loss of 60%. So loss of 60% means, so into 3 by 5, that will give 45. 45. Now alligation mixture method, bat, ball. This is the profit of 30. This is the loss of 45. Since it is loss, we are keeping it as minus symbol. And overall we are getting 20 profit. So 20 minus of minus 45. 20 minus of minus 45, that is 65. This is 30 minus 20, 10. Find the cost price of the bat. So what is the cost price of the bat? 65. This is bat. Bat cost price 65. Ball cost price 10. So 65 is the correct answer. Next question. Aman starts from point A at 2 p.m. and move towards B at 25 km per hour. So Aman is starting at 2 p.m. 25 km per hour. 25 km per hour. Sandeep is starting at B. He is starting at A. Now Sandeep is starting at B. That means both are moving in the opposite direction at 4 p.m. That means here the gap of 2 hours is there. In these 2 hours, the distance covered by Aman is 25 into 2, 50. Total distance 410. Out of this 50 is over. Now the remaining distance 360. This is 25 km per hour. Sandeep is 35 km per hour. So one is 25, one is 35. Both are moving in opposite. So it will be equal to 60. So they will cross at 6 hours. That means from 4 p.m. 6 hours. That means they will meet at 10 p.m. 10 p.m. is the correct answer. Next. See the next question. The difference between CI and SI for the sum of 3 years at 20% per annum, 20% is per annum is 176. Find the simple interest on the sum after 2 years at 10%. Now there is direct formula for 3 years. If the difference is given for 3 years for simple interest and compound interest, direct formula is PR square by 100 square into 300 plus R by 100. This is applicable only when the difference between CI and SI is given for 3 years. Now here 176 is equal to P into R is 20. 20 square is 400 by 100 square means 100 into 100. 300 plus R, that means 320 by 100. Now if you do the calculation, 100 ones, 100 fours, 100 ones, 100 fours. 176 into 1000 by 32 into 4. This is what we should calculate. See, 4 4s 16, again 4 4s, 4 11s, 4 8s, 8 1s, 8 125. So 125 into 11, 55, 27, 1375. This is the principal. Principal 1375. Now find the simple interest. 2 years 20%. 20% means 1 by 5. 20% means 1 by 5. 10%, 2 years means 20%. 20% is 1 by 5. So 5 2s 10, 5 7s 5 5s. 275 is the correct answer. Next question. How many 4 digits can be formed by using the numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 6, 9 if the number is divisible by 4 and the repetition is not allowed? So divided by 4. Divided by 4 means last 2 numbers should be either 32 or 52 or 72 or 92 or 56, 76, 96. Total we are having 8 numbers. First 2 numbers. Now out of the 4, these are the last 2 digits. first 4 numbers. That means see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. Already we are using last 2 numbers, this one, last 2 numbers. Now remaining, here remaining we are using any 2 numbers. So remaining will be 4 numbers. The first digit occupied by 4 numbers. Since one digit is over, this will be 3. So 4 into 3 into 8, that is 96. 96 is the correct answer. Next, here based on this pie chart we should answer the question. See, the number of students who play violin is what percent more than tabla? Violin is 25, tabla is 10, 15 more. From where it is more? 10. So 100. So 150% is the correct answer. 150%. That is the correct answer. See the next one. Next question. What is the ratio of students who play guitar and casino? Guitar 35, casino 17, total 52. Then flute and violin. Flute is 13, violin 25. That is 38. So 26 is to 19. 26 is to 19 is the correct answer. Next, what is the average number of students who play casino, flute and violin? Casino 17, flute 13 and guitar 35. So total 65 into 12. Actually we have to take 65% of 1200. 2 zeros to 65 into 12. Average means by 3. That means 65 into 4. 260. 260 is the correct answer. Number of students who play casino, tabla and flute. Casino 17, tabla 10, 27, flute 13. So it will be equal to 40. Then guitar and violin. Guitar 35, violin 25. That will be equal to 60. Now the question is, this is what percent of this? So 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means 66. 2 by 3. Next. What is the difference between average number of students who play guitar and casino? Casino is 17, guitar 35. Total 52, average 26. Now tabla, flute, violin. Tabla 10, flute 13, violin 25. 10 plus 13, 23, 48. 48 by 3, 16. 26 minus 16, difference 10. 10% of 1200. What is 10% of 1200? 120. Option 1. Next. See the number series. We have to identify what should come in the place of the number series. 4, 18, 48, question mark, 180, 294. Now this one we can take it as 2 cube minus 2 square. This is 3 cube minus 3 square. This is 4 cube minus 4 square. Similarly we should get 5 cube minus 5 square. That is 100. 100 is the correct answer. Next question. 2, 4, 12, 60, question mark, 4620 into 2 into 3, prime numbers, into 5 into 7, 420. 420. Then next one, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, question mark. Addition of 2 successive. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 5 plus 8, 13. 8 plus 13, 21. 21 is the correct answer. $150, $395, $900, $1160, $1425. Now what should come in the place of the question mark? See the difference. This is 245. This is 260. This is 265. Then this will be 255. This will be 250. 395 plus 250. That is 645. 645 is the correct answer. 100, 96, 87, 71, question mark, 10. 4, 9, 16, 25. 71 minus 25, 46. 3 is the correct. Then see 96 question. What should come in the place of the question mark in the following number series? 575 into 24 by 8. So 24 by 8 is nothing but 3 minus 125 is equal to x square. 15, 22, 17. 1725 minus 125, 1600. Root 1600 is 40. 1 is the correct answer. Now 625 by 5, that is 125. 8.5, 34 divided by 8.5 is 4. Exactly 4. Into 625 by 12.5, again 5. Minus x by 4 is equal to 2000. This is 2500 minus 2000. That is 500 is equal to x by 4. X value 2000. 2000 is the correct answer. Next, x by 25 into 4 minus 96 plus 5 is equal to 25. Now 4x by 25 is equal to 91. If it goes to the other side, it becomes plus. Minus 91 becomes plus 91. 95 plus 12, 116. 4 2s 8, 4 9s. X is equal to 29 into 25. 25 into 9, 225. 725 is the correct answer. 725. Next question. 336 plus 744. So that is 6 plus 4, 10, 8, 1080 minus 180 plus 4 into 31, 124 is equal to x square. This is 900 plus 124. 1024 root, that is 32. 32 is the correct answer. Next question, last one. 12.5 into 12. 12 into 12, 144. 0.5 into 12, 6. That is 150 plus x minus 5 7s, 5 6 is equal to 324. This is 74. So 324 minus 74, 250. So x value is equal to 250. 250 is the correct answer, option 4. So remaining we will continue in the tomorrow class. So students, one thing I want to tell you, so we are taking online admissions from our institute. So you recommend anyone who want to join in our institute. So we are taking online classes, we are taking online admissions. So for details you can contact these numbers. See, 9849546044 or else 9985409543 or else 7702726669. So these are the phone numbers through which they can contact if they are having any doubts and how to make the payment and everything. We will detailedly explain. So if you contact these numbers. So if there are any students who want to join in our institute, that is Guru Raghavendra Bank Coaching Center, you can contact these numbers and you can join our institute. So we are taking online admissions. So online admissions are also there. So please try to join in our institute as early as possible, and every aspirant should come back as a banker within 1 year. So taking the goal, if you are having the goal of a banking job, so our institute is the best place. So we are providing nice coaching, we are having basic classes, and offline exams are there, online exams are there, and around the year we will be having app support, mobile app support is there, or app SSGRBCC. Through this app you can write the number of exams. So if you are having any doubts regarding the online payment and admission procedure, so please contact these numbers. And thank you. So tomorrow we will start the next paper.